Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ricky Hofmann and I'm a professional driver for WireCare, and I'm here today to talk about my 5 favorite things that I can get and you guys can get off their website. We got the Kaizen Relay. Love this thing. Got this thing in my car, use it all the time. It's can controlled, weather resistant, temperature resistant, has temperature control, and the best thing about it, it's a solid state relay, so you guys can run it on your nitrous if you really wanted to also. One of my other favorite things that they sell on the website is this Deutsch connector kit. This thing has come in handy at the track more times than I can count. We have everything from 8 connector to 4 connector to 6 connector. It's got tools in here. It comes with everything that you need to fix any wiring issue you have at the track. This is great for running through firewalls because there's firewall connectors in here too. So you can get all the wires from outside the car to inside the car, keep everything sealed up so you have no fire and no leaks inside the car. Anyone that's into any kind of racing runs AN lines. Oil lines, fuel lines, doesn't matter, vacuum lines, boost control lines, you're gonna be running AN lines. WireCare.com has a full line of Fragola lines and fittings, and you guys can custom order them to whatever size you need. Buy the fittings, put them together, put it right in the car, you're good to go. This is Insultherm wire covering. You can cover more than just wires with this. I have this on AN lines, wires, whatever you need to protect. 1200 degrees, put it right next to a cherry red header, turbo manifold, whatever you want to run. This stuff gets the job done. They even have it for spark plugs for you V8 guys that have to go in between your headers. Protect your plug wires, never have a misfire, never miss a track day. I'm actually a welder outside of racing, so I'm always burning my arms and stuff like that. WireCare actually has this dragon sleeve. All you do is smack this guy on the arm like this, go inside, and you can put this on anything you want. Flame resistant, spark resistant, never get any burns on your forearms ever again. Rest your elbow on something hot in an accident won't even matter at this point anymore, guys. This right here is what you need. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me. I gotta go hop in my race car and get out there on the track, but these are my 5 favorite things from WireCare.com. Hope you guys can use them in your life and hope to make your life easier.